Today we're going to design one of these where it looks like you're putting in a search and you're getting some book recommendations. Let's start by going to Canva, to the new homepage, and we're going to create a design, and we are going to look for social media. We want Instagram, Reels, probably Instagram Reel. This is Canva Tips for Authors, where we show authors how to use Canva to make images for their book marketing. I'm Jeev. I'm a rom-com and women's fiction author. I write as Jeevani Charika and as Rhoda Baxter. So we're going to start off with the video in the background. So I searched for bookshops and I got this. Now this is Canva Pro. If you have Canva free, you could use a static image at the back, which might actually be easier. Let's have a look. Bookshop. Photos. Let's see what we've got in the free section. That's quite a nice picture. Let's use that one. Okay. And if we wanted to, we could animate that so that it's moving just a little bit. Animate. Something like breathe. Where's breathe gone? Breathe. There, that's a good one. Okay. Let's make it a little bit bigger so that when it breathes, it's still all fully in the frame. Okay. Right, the next we're going to put in a search box. So for that, let's go to all and find shapes, wherever shapes have gone. Oh, let's get rid of this. Search elements and shapes. And we're going to use this one. It's just a rounded rectangle. Okay. Let's turn it white. It should actually be beige, but yeah, we got a dark background. Let's go for white. And if you wanted, because these shapes are very versatile, you can make the corner rounding a bit more rounded. And you can put a border around it and choose what color the border is. The border is light gray. Okay, let's see, what does that look like? Let's zoom in a bit. Yeah, okay, that looks like a search box. We might need to make it a bit smaller. Okay, and then we need a search icon. This idea, by the way, it came from a tutorial made by Wayne, who makes beautiful, beautiful things. He doesn't talk about books particularly, but he makes beautiful videos, marketing videos for other products. Okay. Now, find something that describes your book. So I'm going to go for swoony romance novels. Although there are lots of other ways to describe the books that I write. Books with scientists in, something like that. Could be, let's take it off bold. Bold, there we go. And we probably should change the font to something, I don't know what though. Helvetica World, okay. Okay. Now we need to make it look like it's being typed. So let's go for, where's animate? Animate. And writing, typewriter. That's cool. Okay. And we want to make this about maybe 3 seconds long, not too long because people get bored easily. When I say that, I get bored easily is what I mean. And then we're going to duplicate this. And we're going to get rid of the search box. You're going to go into your uploaded files and find your book covers. Let's just do 4 because 6 was quite a lot of work. Okay, right, I've put them in the wrong order now, so I've got to go and change them. But what first thing we're going to do is make sure they're all roughly the same size. They should be, yep. And we're going to put them all in the center. Let's go back a bit so I can see the whole thing. So they're going to end up one on top of the other. And then let's change the order of them because I want the newest one on the top. So show layers. So what have we got? Playing for Love was the oldest. And then it was that one. Picture Perfect. And then Knowing Me, Knowing You. And then The Winner Bakes It All. Okay. Now, we want these to come in at about 0.5 second intervals. We want them to come in slowly, one after the other. Bum, 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 right? So we're going to go right click and show timing. Let's select all of them, hopefully. There we go. Show timing of all of them. Okay, so we want Playing for Love to come in first. So that comes in at 3 seconds. This one comes in at 2.5 seconds. This one comes in at 2 seconds. And this one comes at 1.5 seconds. I think in my other video I had them coming in at 3 seconds. That was really quite fast. Okay, and then we're going to duplicate this again. Move it to the end. And we can hide timings now, maybe. Right, actually, let's just duplicate this. Right, and then we're going to take all 4 of these books and make them smaller. Small enough that you can fit all 4 of them on the screen. And then we're going to split them up. Right, we're going to split them up, and I think they need to be smaller even than that. So let's make them smaller than that. Oh, come on. Right, and let's do layers, show layers, select layers that way. By holding shift, you can select multiple layers and make them smaller. Okay, that's better. And we're going to put them one in each of these corners. This Instagram Reels, we could probably have a little bit of space. If you're doing TikTok, definitely leave a little bit of space because that's all like TikTok's writing in gubbins. Okay, now are they roughly lined up? I think they are. Then we're going to go between these two and add a transition to match and move. And then just delete that. I'll duplicate this page again. And then we're going to put buy now on the top. You could just, for the sake of simplicity, find a big buy now button. That'll do. And animate that to stomp. Oh, and the other thing we want to do is we want to get rid of the timing issues. So show timing. These should all show for the same length of time now. Can I not see Playing for Love? It's really dropped off the bottom somewhere. Right. Yeah, it has. Okay. Right, let's see how that looks. Okay, I'm not sure why it suddenly goes white. Okay, we'll hide timing to get some space, and let's adjust this, not that, this one. Put it in the right place, because that's bothering me. Put that in the right place. Now, why is there a white thing? Why does this appear to be white right at the start? Right, just let's add a match and move transition there as well. And see if that works. I think it's the animation. And there's one more thing. There is a space somewhere here. There's something weird going on in this one. Let's have a look. Layers. Show layers. That is because we have this twice. There we go. Okay. Okay. And that you can then share to, if you're, I usually do this and then I go to my phone and I post it straight to Instagram and then I put some music on top of it. But you could do whatever you need to do to share it. If you find these videos useful, please tell all your friends, and I'll see you in the next video.